Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and below is my web homepage www.hiteshchaudhary.com where you can access details and can leave your very valuable hello to me. So let's move on to the lesson number 3 and in this lesson I'm not going to do a lots of things, but you have to do. So this is more about an assignment type of lecture, but really I'll make sure that I assist you in all those assignments, not like all those college lectures and assignment in which teacher doesn't assist you, just gives you an assignment, and that's the condition of most of the universities out there. I really want to change that. So let us proceed, and I have already started my web server Apache and my SQL as well. Now for this lesson you are going to need the lesson3.zip file, which you can get from wherever you have purchased my course. On lots of platform I am there on the global scale at lots of platform. If you have purchased it directly from hiteshchaudhary.com, then you can ask me for this course if you haven't find it there. So don't hesitate to drop me email. I always reply to each and every email. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to travel to desktop and verify that yes, lesson3.zip file is there. Then I can move it to my /war www, and what I have to move, I have to mention it that as well. So I have to move lesson3.zip into this destination. So the file is gone from the desktop. Let us also travel to the /war www directory and verify that it is here. Oops, I placed it in the wrong position. I actually should have placed it in the master directly. Okay, so it has moved to the master ls. Yes, the lesson3.zip file is here. What simply you have to type is unzip lesson3.zip file. So just having two files, one is image and one is index. The image is just to make the things interesting and a little bit annoying as well. So go to the master, type the lesson, don't forget L is caps, lesson -3, and here it is. And here is the small annoying image. If you'll scroll it down, you will find it here. Okay, so here is a annoying image. So what you have to do in this case, you again have to put a question mark, ID equals 1. As soon as you put the ID here, what the things will become interesting here in this case would really be interesting for you when you will put a single quote here. Now the target here is actually the same in this challenge. You have to find out the database names, some tables, and quite other things. When I do a single quote here, it gives me an error, yes, and if I try to fix it by hyphen plus, it doesn't fix up. Now that might be scary, but the important thing is out here you need to understand what you need to do by breaking the queries and what you need to do to fix the query. So errors are always favorite. In this case I'm just going to fix the query and break the query, and rest of the thing I'll leave it to you. So that's the really good way to understand the SQL injection. So when I did a single quote, it breaks the query. It also gives me a very good and important error message here, hope it's visible, that it says syntax to use near double quotes, one double quote and a bracket. Now that's the thing where everything goes interesting. And one method that I've already taught you is backslash. Now backslash gives you insight, crisp details about how to break the query. If I do that, you find out, oh, there is a single quote and a bracket here. So in case I want to fix this query, and there is a simple rule with the quotes and bracket that they always comes in pair. So I can put a single quote and a closing bracket. That is going to again break the query, but if I do a hyphen and plus sign here, that fixes up the query. Now what can I do? I can proceed to order by 1. Okay, if I do order by 4, error. So we already know we have already enumerated the database, so database is going to remain same, and I can use that leverage, but don't use that in the real case. Okay, and let's make it like this. Okay, so things have got clear up. So this is really quite a short video just to give you the lesson number 3. Make yourself comfortable with this breaker of query and understand that every time the blind working like single quote and putting hyphen plus and doing all the things, it's not going to work. Try to enumerate the errors as much as possible. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.